Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add cash on delivery on Odoo. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Odoo dashboard. And then what I want you to do here, you should see the different options they have. I want you to choose sales. Now once you select sales, you'll be on the sales dashboard. I want you to go ahead and click on configuration. And then from here you should see the online payments section. What I want you to do is click here on payment methods. Now, once you go ahead and click right here on payment methods, you will be redirected here. You should see cash and delivery. If you don't see it, you just add it as an available payment method. You just come here, tap on new, add it as a new payment method, and just make sure cash and delivery is actually toggled on as active. And that is how to add cash and delivery in Odoo. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.